How to sign up for the LadyBoss affiliate program. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to sign up for the LadyBoss affiliate program. If you are passionate about helping others lead a healthier lifestyle and want to earn some extra income along the way, this program might be perfect for you. So let's jump right in. First, let's briefly explain what the LadyBoss affiliate program is all about. It's a partnership with LadyBoss, a renowned brand in the healthy and fitness industry. By becoming a LadyBoss affiliate, you can earn commission by promoting their product, helping others transform their lives. The benefits of the LadyBoss affiliate programs are that you can earn competitive commission for each sale you refer, promote products that are well regarded in the fitness and wellness community, access to marketing materials and resources to help you succeed, monitor your referral and earnings in real time, a dedicated affiliate support team to assist you along the way. Now let's get started on signing up for the LadyBoss affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. Once you are on the registration page, it's time to complete your affiliate application. Begin by providing your personal details such as your name, email address, and location. Next, share some insight about your promotional strategies. LadyBoss is interested in understanding how you plan to promote their product. After completing the application form, you will need to agree to the LadyBoss affiliate program terms and conditions. Take a moment to carefully read through the terms and conditions, and once you are comfortable, check the box to confirm your agreement. Finally, click on Submit or Apply button to send your application. Congratulations, you have successfully applied to become a LadyBoss affiliate now. All that's left to do is wait for approval. The LadyBoss team will review your application and once approved, you will receive an email notification. This process usually takes a few business days. Once you are approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard where you can find your unique affiliate links, promotional strategies, and track your earnings. Now it's time to start promoting LadyBoss. You can do this through your website, social media, email, newsletter, or any other platform where you connect with potential customers seeking a healthier lifestyle. And there you have it. This is how you can sign up for a LadyBoss affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.